For support.
Ethan! Oh.
Hey, babies.
Hey! Oh, hey! Oh my god.
Maybe I can love right in the picture.
That's alright.
He's gonna get the hit first. Hi, where's Daddy?
Ethan. Walk to Daddy.
Come here. Jumps on her.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Funny.
Oh, you can do it. No,
He
let
usually
go of my
starts
hand.
shrieking. That's like he's like playing music.
Come here, Baba.
Go. Ready?
Come on.
Go.
Come on.
Go, go.
Oh. Yeah.
Bleh.
You fell the right way.
Here.
You see Mama?
Mommy.
Come
Go to Mama.
Come to Mama.
Go to
Watch
Mama.
your toes,
Whoop.
John.
I know. I'm out of the way.
His stance is too far apart.
Yeah.
Come on.
Go to see Mama.
He almost gets like a running start. Oh, so
Yeah. Wow.
the other side.
Let's see here, buddy.
It's so not what you would expect.
Ooh. Yeah, he punches for you. You just rub this point right here. But usually, right over the bear? Right over the bear's ear. And usually they go away. After a couple. Oh, yay! Yay! Bubba!
Do it.
Go, go, go.
Come on. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Oh.
Oops. So what's the... Nice.
Yay! Good job, Bubba. The tongue out. He's all happy. Yeah. Jordan. Nailed it.
Headlocks and like all this stuff.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
I'm like, just wait.
Yeah.
Please do not tell me one guy is eating that whole thing.
Asher gets pushed. Oh. Yang.
He dropped the ball and Ethan was